Hello everyone, welcome back Crypto by YouTube channel. So in some days I'm checking Mainnet section. Most of the pioneers they are saying that how to secure their Pi coin, how to secure the Pi wallet, how to secure the passphrases. Some of the pioneers, their coin, their wallet is stolen. So inside this video, I just found amazing steps. Just found one of the best option how to secure your wallet, how to secure your Pi coin. Step by step guide with screen recording. Make sure watch this video. Even share this video with everyone. All the pioneers should know about these steps. How to secure their Pi coin. Even which website is real, which website is the fake, about the hackers, the whole thing you will learn inside this video. Watch this video, share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Pi Network, Crystal Project, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So there are some steps how to secure your Pi coin. Even I can say the Pi coin from years, you mined it from years, you just give your time, you spend it on the browser, on the application. Finally, you have somehow, I can say, thousands of the Pi coin, and you want to secure it, you want to save it, you want to hold it for the long term. In this world, especially about the crypto market, especially about the platform where there is money. So there are lots of hackers. Hackers are trying to hack your wallet. Hackers are trying to hack your coin. This is how they are just getting money without doing anything. Okay, so the first thing is about the passphrases. 24 words passphrases. While creating Pi wallet, there are passphrases. You have to save it. You have to secure it for the long term. If you forget passphrases, you will never can recover your wallet. Okay, so save your passphrases. I can say inside your computer system. Even I can say write down on the paper and save the paper. Somehow the best option is your PC, your computer, even your mobile phone. Okay, do not share it with anyone. If anyone is asking in the Telegram, if anyone is asking in Twitter, even I can say someone is calling you, someone is send you a message to give the passphrases, do not give it. Whether they say I'm a Pi network agent, do not believe it. Do not trust him. Because hackers can do anything to get your passphrases. If they have your passphrases, easily they can access to your wallet. Because with passphrases, they can easily log into your wallet. They can easily log into the Pi wallet and then they can get all the Pi coin. This is how you can lose your Pi network. You can lose your Pi coin. So make sure do not share the passphrases, secure it. Even do not give to anyone, whether you trust them, whether you know those person, do not give it. So one thing I should tell you, when I can say this is the second step, verifying the domain, verifying the website. Okay, the Pi network, whether this is the browser, whether this is the wallet, whether anything. So the domain is .com. Okay, the real website of the Pi network will be like wallet.pi, pinetwork.py. This is the example. Like kyc.py, chat.py, develop.py, blockchain.py. This is the real website of the Pi network. The domain is .py. If any website is with a different domain, for example, kyc.xyz, mine.xyz, wallet.xyz, those are the fake website. Do not use it. Do not give your passphrases. The hackers can develop the website that looks similar to the real one. This is like those who don't have any information about the computer, about the website, about the platform, so they can easily paste their passphrase. They can easily trust to the platform. This is how you can lose your Bitcoin. This is how you don't know whether this is the real or no, but you just trust those website. You give your passphrases, and then suddenly you will lose everything. So always verify the website, always verify the domain. Make sure The domain of the Pi network is .pi. So the third one is the Mainnet checklist step 8, which is about the migration. You completed your KYC, you completed the 7 steps. The step 8, which is about the migration, you stuck on the step 8. From years, from months, even most of the pioneers, you're asking in the comment section how to complete the step 8. Without the migration, if the migration is not completed, you will not get your Pi coin. You have to complete the step 8 so that you should get your Pi coin. This is how you can use it in the real life. This is how you can sell it to book a profit, to earn money. Even you can trade it. Okay, so step 8, if you pasted your wallet address, if you used your wallet address but still you did not get your Pi coin, make sure to check your wallet. Make sure to check the passphrase. Might be you just pasted the wrong wallet address, or the wallet address you pasted, passphrase is not with you. You lost the passphrase. You don't have access to the wallet. Okay, in this case, you can create a new one. Simply create a new wallet, a new Pi wallet. Easily you can use the new address. Easily you can use the new passphrases. Easily, no, you don't need to worry about that. This is like, oh, I just used the old wallet address, now I will not get my coin, this, that. You don't need to worry. Simply create a new wallet address, use the new wallet address, and then submit it so you will get your coin to the new wallet, not to the old wallet. This is the easy way. If you have problem with your step, this is, I can say, a forever solution. So the last one, I can say, security is first. The safety is first, especially about the developed country. If you see, everyone is saying that safety is first, security is first. You don't need to worry about anything. You don't need to care about anything because your own safety is the first thing. So the safety of your coin, the safety of your wallet is to your own responsibility. It's your own responsibility, no one else. You have to take care of it. Even if you trust anyone, do not give it. If you know anyone, do not give it. Whether your friends, whether your close friend, do not give it. This is money. About the money, anyone can do anything. Because of the money, between brothers, there is fighting. You know this about the family. So do not give your passphrases, do not give access to your wallet to anyone, whether you know it, whether you trust it, do not give it. Make sure to know about this, make sure to save your wallet, make sure to save your passphrases. This is how you can secure your Pi wallet, you can secure your passphrases. So this is all about how to secure your Pi network, how to secure your passphrases. I hope this video helped you a lot. Make sure to share this video with everyone, with all the pioneers. They should know how to secure their Pi coin. Even if you lost your wallet, your passphrases, you don't need to worry about it. Simply create a new one. Use the new one. So smash the like button. 20 all-time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel. Make sure click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. This video is end up in here. Till the next video. Goodbye. See you.